So hi guys, welcome back to Tiny Motors Guild. Today we are at the Pune Diecast Collectors Meetup. आप लोग देख सकते हैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा यहाँ पे लोग हैं. We are approximately 20 people. So right here we've got a lot of diecast cars on the table. Quickly लोगों के collections का एक ऐसे mini tour करते हैं. चलो, let's quickly start off over here on this side. This here is Abhishek. Yes. What have you got to show us, Abhishek?
So I have one Tarmac Works Koenigsegg Regera.
Okay. This is the blue color one, baby blue.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then I have one HKM 1:1.
1-1. Yeah, Koenigsegg. Beautiful. Green color. Very nice. How much did this cost you?
Some 2,500.
2,500. Okay. Brilliant.
And I have one Mini GT Spectre.
Spectre.
And
Okay.
Jaguar CX-75.
Very nice. ये कुछ 1600 की है, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, of course.
Perfect.
Then I have some 4
Kinsmart.
2 McLarens, Bugatti and Koenigsegg.
Okay.
And MSG Suzuki GSX-R 1000 bike.
Okay. Brilliant. And how much did that bike cost you?
It's on MRP, some 700 or 800.
700, 800. Okay.
Yeah.
And how much were these Kinsmarts?
I got it from Facebook's 5 to 600 rupees.
500-600 rupees
Yeah.
each. And what scale are they approximately?
32 to 36 scale.
32-36. Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Great detailing for 5 to 600 rupees. You can see plastic inserts वगैरह है. That McLaren F1 GTR looks very pretty. So does the Chiron in that champagne gold and black dual tone finish. Okay, let's move on to the next. So Soeb, hello. What have you got to show us? Okay.
Dodge Challenger.
Dodge Challenger. So this is
Yeah.
Majorette, right?
Yeah, this is Majorette one.
So ये आपकी 5 pack में से you got it solo.
Yeah, I was very lucky.
Okay.
I just wanted this, so
Okay.
I got this one for 350 around.
Brilliant.
350, yeah.
350 rupees. Okay. And then what have you got? The Shelby
This is
Daytona.
Daytona.
So ये आपकी main line थी in
Yeah.
the Q case, right?
Q case, right.
2024 Q case. Nice. Pretty cool.
Hi, I'm
This right
Riyan.
here is Riyan. Yes, hello.
So I've bought some old mainlines. These are from 2018 and 2019.
Okay,
So
brilliant.
and the most wanted one is this.
This is the Lamborghini Super Trofeo.
Yeah.
So ये आपकी red color की आई थी
Yeah, yeah.
in 2024 P case.
And I had it in 2019.
2019. Okay.
And then I have this Team Transport from. Sorry for the card.
Yeah.
I have this Team Transport from US. I got
Okay.
it for $17, but as a gift. I'll just show you.
$17 is how much? 1,500.
Yeah, 14 something.
1,400 something.
Yeah.
Approx 1,500, right?
Approx.
Not bad for team transport.
And this is it. Never mind. So.
आराम से.
There's a movable part here, and this is the Kosuko hauler.
Okay. Kosuko
And
hauler.
This is the Toyota Soarer.
Soarer, yeah. Okay.
Real riders, metal on metal body.
Okay.
It's the same thing, and the best feature about this is you get to put 2 cars. So one goes here,
And one goes on top.
Yeah. So that's the reason I got it.
Brilliant stuff. Very pretty.
Yeah.
1,500, not a bad rate at
Yeah.
all. And what
And-
else? So,
The most awaited
All
Ferrari
hail F40.
all hail F40.
And not to mention, I was the first in here to get the F40.
Very nice. So ये आपकी K case की main
K
line
case
है.
की है,
You
right.
got this at MRP, right?
Yeah, at MRP.
Can you show the tag just for the viewers
Yeah.
here? So you can see he's put it in a protector, but 179 की आपकी MRP है. Once again, don't encourage scalpers.
Yeah.
Please be
Just
patient.
don't pay anything above 179 and happy collecting.
Nice message. Okay, cool. Now we'll move to. हाँ?
Omkar.
बोलो ना, नाम जोर से बोलो.
Hi
Omkar.
guys,
Omkar.
Omkar है.
Okay, what have you got to show us?
This is STH.
STH. Oh, the Pajero J case 2024 STH. Brilliant.
अल्ट्रा हॉर्स ढूंढने गया था और ये मिली मेरे को.
कितने में मिली है MRP?
17, हाँ.
Brilliant find भाई, brilliant
And
find.
I have got this vintage.
Okay, vintage. आराम से. Don't panic. हाँ. आराम से. You got these vintage ones. So which is this?
This is Monte Carlo concept car.
Monte Carlo
It's made
concept.
of metal body.
Okay.
You can see the details.
Oh wow, ये metal base है क्या इसका?
Yes.
Metal base. Brilliant stuff. हाँ. Brilliant stuff. Then, okay, Monte Carlo concept car, very nice. What else is that?
Windmill 2.
Windmill 2, so very iconic fantasy from Hot Wheels.
Yes.
Okay, and what
And I
else?
got this under 500.
Oh wow, that's a good rate for 500 rupees. Such an old card. कब का कार्ड होगा ये अप्रॉक्स?
एक साल पहले मैंने लिया था.
पर कब का होगा? आइडिया है कुछ?
25-30 साल.
25-30 साल पुराना कार्ड.
हाँ.
Oh, सही है फिर तो 500 rupees में not a bad deal at all. And what is this?
This is 50 cents Chevy.
Chevy. Okay, brilliant stuff. ये भी same.
Yeah.
500.
Yes.
Good rate, good rate. Where did you get this from? Like Facebook?
No, website. एक
Website.
website है.
अच्छा.
Yes.
Okay.
इधर से.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
और these are my collections.
Okay, so you've got, I can see a mini GT Aston Martin. I see this very interesting car in this protector. Which one is this?
Which?
This one, this one.
This is Kyosho.
Kyosho. Oh wow. Kyosho की Ferrari है ये, right?
मैंने एक वेबसाइट है, नाम न लूँगा,
हाँ।
विवाद हो जाएगा.
हाँ,
वो मैंने हॉट व्हील्स मांगी थी
हाँ.
750 पे, लेकिन ये उन्होंने क्योशो का भेज दिया.
Oh wow. Brilliant deal, भाई. Brilliant deal. And what else is there? Mini GT आपकी है ये.
Yes.
Thunderball वाली Aston Martin.
Yes.
And what else is there? I can see Burago की. That's quite a big model. What scale is that? 124.
हाँ ये.
नीचे वाली, हाँ.
Yes. 1/24.
1/24. And when did you get this for how much?
I got it for 2000.
2000. Okay. 2000 की ली थी.
2000.
Okay. And this is when?
In 2023.
2 years ago.
Yes, 2 years
Okay.
ago.
Okay. Brilliant. And और भी कुछ है. I can see एक ये La Ferrari है. This is also Burago 1:43.
Yeah. I
You
got it for 15 euros.
So you got this from abroad?
Yes. Italy.
Okay, Italy. Brilliant, brilliant. ट्रिप पे गए थे या कोई
नहीं,
लेके
मेरी
आए
बहन
थे?
लेके आई थी.
Okay, okay. फिर I can see एक और है. That is the Portofino that I've already done a video on. And next up we've got the Tata Zest.
This is
Tata की देश का लोहा.
And these are.
Few more main lines, yeah. So this is Angry Birds, is it?
Yes.
Angry Birds and Snoopy. उसका ये कुत्ता भाग गया.
कुत्ता
Okay,
भाग गया
there's
है.
some more stuff here. There's the DMC DeLorean, ये आपकी NCase 24 की treasure hunt है. Few more. These we've already seen. And which one is this?
This is a road runner.
Roadrunner. Okay, this is fantasy.
No, real car.
Real car है.
Yes.
Is it? Okay, but looks plastic ही है. Okay, okay.
Plastic
सही
ही
है. ये भी कितने में ली थी? मतलब याद है कुछ अंदाजा है?
I got it on my birthday.
Birthday?
7th birthday.
ओ 7th बर्थडे. अभी कितने साल के हो?
25.
25. तो 18 years ago, 18 साल पुरानी ये कास्टिंग आपकी है. वेरी नाइस है, वेरी नाइस. कूल स्टोरी. दिस इज हिज कलेक्शन टुडे गाइस. Next we've got Kostab, so he's got some cool stuff to show as well. I can see the Formula 1 5-pack right here. He has a page by the name of Collectible Garage HQ as well, Instagram pe. And tell us, is this on MRP or not?
Yeah, this one is from MRP.
MRP, so you can show the tag.
In the back side of the
Brilliant. So you're one of the first people I've seen जिसको ये In the Wild castings मिल गई है 5-pack. What else have you got to show us?
second we have two Ferraris from Tarmac Works.
Okay.
So we have Ferraris from the Tarmac Works.
Okay.
So I like the Ferrari model, so I'm trying to get as much more detail.
Okay.
Ferrari.
Trying to get more details. So how much were these models individually? This was
So
for
around it is for 2200.
2200. Okay, not bad.
And his is around 2400.
2400. So 2000 plus 2200, 2400 के आसपास के आपके हैं ये
This
models.
is one actually Road 64 and I think this one is for 64. So
Hobby 64.
Hobby
Okay.
64.
हाँ तो ये टारमैक के लाइनअप्स होते हैं ना, यू
Tarmac,
मूव अप
हाँ,
एंड
हाँ.
वो और प्रीमियम उनके
इसके
लाइनअप्स
एक्चुअली
हैं.
व्हील्स मूव नहीं होते हैं. अगर अपन ने अनस्क्रू किया
ओके.
हाँ
अच्छा.
तो सिर्फ डिस्प्ले पर्पस के लिए. You
अच्छा.
can't just remove and play.
Got it, got it, got it. And what else do we have over here?
This one I think is from one of the best from the group.
So this is the
F40.
Tomica Premium F40. I've
Yes.
done a video on this. You can go check it out. Tomica का है. And these are two Ferrari main lines जो है
Yeah,
आपके.
these two from the K case.
K-Case. तो ये
Actually,
J-Case में आई थी आपकी SF90 Stradale and ये आपकी K-Case में है which you just seen with Ryan.
Yeah.
Again, this is for MRP only, right?
ये MRP only.
दोनों
yes.
MRP पे. So देख लो guys, it's not impossible to find these things at
Yeah,
MRP.
it takes, actually, I never able to find from the J case. Like
हाँ, हाँ.
it took around.
तो ये K-Case में बट MRP पे लिया ना,
मिल गई, हाँ.
तो वही होता है, कैरी ओवर हो जाती है, आपको जो चाहिए आपको जनरली मिल जाता है.
हाँ.
ओके.
Another J case.
JKM, हाँ तो ये
So this one got
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से लिया है आपने?
हाँ WhatsApp group
Okay.
पे मिल गया pre-order.
नाइस।
So I think both of them have great detailing, and
Okay.
this one is mostly heavy.
Heavy.
If you see,
ओके, हाउ मच वाज दिस?
I think this one is for 1,000 to 1,200.
1200
And
दिस
this is at around 800 something.
800.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant stuff. Okay, thank you so much, Kaustubh. You can go check out his page, Collectible Garage HQ, on Instagram. Rahul, what have you got to show us? Ford GT. Okay, very pretty casting. कितने की ली थी ये? 1800. Okay, brilliant stuff. दिखाना एक बार. So guys, this is another premium brand which I haven't covered on my channel, Auto World के नाम से. Where did you get this from, if you don't mind my asking? Japan. Okay. Very nice. And what else have you got? Oh wow, so this is the Ferrari 3 model collection. It's got the F14 yellow color which is extremely rare. Red वाली तो आप लोगों ने देख ली. And what else is there? अच्छा, यहाँ पे नाम लिखा है. Okay, FXXK, Testarossa and F40 आपकी येलो वाली. Very nice. How much does this cost you? You don't remember? Okay. ठीक है, no problem. What else, Rahul? What else can you show us?
You can show this Rocket Bunny.
Rocket Bunny, okay. ये कौन से ब्रांड की है? Inno64.
64.
Very nice. How much did this cost you?
Around 1,700.
1700. Very good rate for an Inno. And ये भी आपकी Inno64 की F40. I've done F40 silver chrome, dark chrome on my channel. बट ये blue color की भी बहुत प्यारी है. It's the Tokyo Auto Salon 2024 version. So very nice. And और क्या है आपके पास? This is his collection, guys. ये एक Black Bandit है. This is also Green Light, another brand I haven't covered. How much did this cost you? 1200. Okay. Nissan Patrol है ये. Very iconic car in real life, and he has this very beautiful model of it as well. 1200 is a very good rate, I would say. ये और भी किसी का collection है. We'll get to this later. So thank you, Rahul, for showing. Okay, next up we have Amit. Amit, what have you got to show us?
Hornet from Malaysia.
Hornet, Malaysia. So ये sealed है क्या?
हाँ, अभी sealed है, boxed है.
Unbox करना बाकी है.
हाँ,
Okay.
अभी लेके आया हूँ मैं.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh wow, this is also sealed. भाई मतलब तुम खुला हुआ कुछ भी नहीं लेके आए हो क्या?
अभी मैं कलेक्ट करके लेके आया हूँ.
अच्छा, ओके ओके. कलेक्ट यहाँ पे किया क्या?
हाँ, अभी वहाँ से लेके आया.
ओके, फेलो ग्रुप मेंबर्स से आपने या मीटअप वालों से आपने लेके ऐसे किया है. वेरी नाइस. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट योर्स? अच्छा, ओके. We'll get to that later. Tanish, hello. So this right here is Tanish, guys. He won the 1000 subscribers giveaway. Comments पे you can ask him if the giveaway was fake or not. It was totally rigged. It was totally rigged. भाई बदनाम कर रहे हो आप मेरे को चैनल पे. Very nice. ठीक है. So what have you got to show us?
So I have two Kaido houses, one
Kaido
STH,
houses.
one pseudo STH.
Pseudo STH. Why do you say it's a pseudo STH?
Because it's a tribute car from 2012.
2012. Okay.
It has Spectra film and rubber wheels.
Oh,
But I
wow.
got it for 800 rupees. No, it's an Indy car.
Indy car. Okay.
So it's an Indy car for Dan Wilden. He
Okay.
passed away in a crash.
Okay.
So they made a tribute car for him.
Okay. Very nice. And how much did that cost you?
This costed me 800 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it from a fellow collector.
Oh, very nice.
And this is my first peg hunted super treasure hunt.
Super treasure hunt.
I got-
JK's की आपकी 2025 की very pretty. You got this at MRP, right?
Yeah, everything at MRP.
Everything at MRP. Very nice. So again, don't encourage scalpers, guys. I can see this is a very pretty mini GT. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने वीडियो किया है. This is of course the ER34 in the blister pack. Blister वाली कुछ आपकी 100 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा आती है ना बॉक्स वर्जन से. So just for viewers out there, this is a very very nice casting over here. Next we've got Shell. So hello Shell, what have you got to show us?
So this is a Measurette R34, which has like a
थोड़ा पकड़ के दिखा दो ना.
So do you like any particular brand?
like you can
So
Any particular brand?
detachable hood, and they have given a spare hood as well without this.
So you got a removable hood, a spare hood. How much did that cost you?
Around 600 rupees.
600 rupees. Okay. And कहाँ से लिया आपने ये?
Thailand.
थाईलैंड से.
This is from Thailand. This is from Thailand.
Okay. ठीक है.
This is Mini GT,
This is the mini GT Aventador.
Aventador SVJ,
SVJ.
63.
Oh wow. So can you just show, hold it up for the camera please, the car itself, yeah. So it's in this, what would you call it, fluorescent green color, right? lime green fluorescent. Verde shock. It's a very shocking color for sure. And you got this from where?
Cars and all.
Cars and Dolls. And how much?
It's a blister pack, so I got it for some, more than
1400?
around
1400. Okay. Very cool. And I can see there's a 6-pack over here. So this is the Euro Speed one, right? If I'm not wrong. European series वाला. हाँ. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो there's Audi है, there's Mercedes, Porsche. So very nice one. You can see the names of the cars right here. And ये silver line होगा ना, like a card art premium kind of set.
मेन लाइन लग रहा है क्योंकि उधर
नहीं, ये पुराने टाइम में वो लोगो सेम ही यूज कर लेते थे. How much did this cost you though?
8,000 के आसपास बात है, so it's like 2,500.
2,500 for 6 cars.
Yeah.
So approximately 400 per casting, right? Not a bad rate for silver line. ये very nice. ठीक है. So next up we've got Dhruv. So hi Dhruv, what have you got to show us?
So, got a few mini GT blisters.
Brilliant
The
stuff.
IMSA collection.
Oh wow. So these are the hyper cars जो आपके
Right.
IMSA endurance वाले रहते हैं. This is the Lamborghini
Lambo
one.
SC
This is the
and
BMW.
BMW.
Right. And how much did these cost you individually?
I think around 1,000, 5,600. The IMSA is a bit more than the regular.
Yeah, 1600, 1700 ऐसा कुछ per casting. Not bad, not bad. And what is this?
Then we have a Tarmac 1:43.
Tarmac 1:43. This is the first time I'm seeing a 1:43 model from Tarmac Works. How much did this cost you?
Around $25.
$25.
2.5K around.
हाँ, मतलब conversion के हिसाब से you can do it. Very nice. This got good detailing, acrylic inserts for the headlamp, tail lamp. Very nice livery. And this is in an acrylic box. Base भी इसका बहुत ही सुंदर है in this dual tone blue and silver color. So very nice. And this is the Roadkill Datsun, the Datsun.
Unique pop culture.
Yeah, I've not seen this with anyone else. How much did this cost you?
So 850.
850. Very good rate for a Hot Wheels Premium. Like I always say, imported वाले आपको 2x of what MRP should have been होना चाहिए. मतलब 550 की आप 1100 तक का भर लो, उससे ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. So 850 is a good rate. What is this? अच्छा, these are all main lines. मतलब ये D case वगैरह के हैं आपके. Okay, very nice. Thank you so much, Dhruv. So this right here is Nikhil. Hello Nikhil. Who have you got with us?
I have. This is my son Siddharth.
Okay. Hi Siddharth. Hello.
Hi, brother.
Say hi to the camera. Okay. He seems to be a little shy, but what have you got to show us?
I have some very old Hot Wheels, some 95.
Sure. So what's the story behind them? You can tell one by one maybe.
No story. These are just what I used to play with when I was small.
That's a pretty cool story on its own. So these are all your old ones. How old do you think they would be?
These are I think 94, 95 Ferraris. These are all of these.
30 years old.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
All of these are the Leo Metal Indian made Hot
Very
Wheels.
nice. So you've got some really cool exclusive stuff too, you know, which other people here might not have. So which ones are these models? Like one by one, if you could just run us through.
This is a Ferrari F50.
Okay.
This is a Ferrari Testarossa.
Okay.
This is an old Jag XJ220, I think.
Okay.
This is a Ford F90, I believe,
Okay.
a prototype car.
Okay.
And an old Datsun 220X.
Okay. And what are those?
Those are some odds and ends. These are again, this is a prototype, old one again, Leo
Right.
Metal. This is actually a 1985 vehicle.
Right.
The Stutz Black Hawk. It's been played to death, but
Okay.
that's what it is. This is also an old Chevrolet, I believe.
Chevrolet. Okay.
Chrysler.
Chrysler.
Old Chrysler
Very pretty. It's
prototype car.
that very nice white and blue sort of finish. Very very cool.
These both are from Made in India.
All
हाँ
of
वो
these.
बोला वो
All of these
Leo
are
Metal का हाँ.
Leo
Very
Metal
nice.
ones.
Very very cool. And I can see there are some more over here. So this is from a new Silver Line set जो आपका Toyota का trucks वाला है. Yeah, the off-road ones. Those are 299 each at MRP. And I can see something very interesting there. Do you mind picking it up? Just for the camera. So this is the Elite 64 Land Rover Defender 90 pickup. Elite 64 India में officially नहीं आता. So of course you got it from the secondary market.
Yeah.
How much did this cost you?
2K.
2,000 rupees. Okay. Very very pretty. Does it have any opening parts to your knowledge?
It unfortunately does not.
Okay. Few of the
This
Elite
has a-
64s do have opening parts, but you can see इस पे पीछे कुछ specs वगैरह भी लिखे हैं for the actual car. There's of course this two-way transparent blister that this casting has. Very nice, very exclusive stuff. So thank you so much Nikhil for showing your collection. Next up we've got Jay. So hi Jay. I think you're the youngest one today in this meetup. So how old are you?
15.
15. Very, very nice. So what have you got to show us? So you've got a 2-pack. This is your... yeah, do you mind just... Yeah, one by one. Let's do one by one. So this is the Toyota Land Cruiser and the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Very nice 2-pack. Oh, so this is uncarded. Okay.
Everything is uncarded.
Everything is uncarded. So you're a loose casting collector. Very nice. How much did this cost you? Don't need to take it out. It's fine. How much did this cost you?
$20 US.
$20 US. So 1900, 1800, something like that. Very nice. Okay. And what is this? This is like some sort of a combine, right? What brand is this? What make?
ERTL.
ERTL. Okay. And how much did this cost you?
Around 9,000.
9,000. This is made out of metal, is it?
Yeah, this is plastic, but everything else is...
The rest is made out of metal. Okay. What scale do you think this is?
This is exact 164.
This is 1:64. Okay, that's pretty big for a 1:64, but pretty cool. And I can see it's got like a few attachments as well. एक ये कंगे जैसा attachment दिख रहा है मेरे को.
You can...
Oh, you can change, you can swap them out. Very nice.
So this is for corn,
Corn, okay.
and this is for wheat.
Okay, very nice. What else have you got? Let's just quickly go through the rest of your collection. I can see there is a team transport over here. ये Volkswagen वाला है, the Beetle. How much did this cost you?
This one was at MRP in 2020. 999.
MRP in 2020. What was the MRP back then?
999.
999. So I don't have any team transports because तब मैं collect नहीं करा था. So to know that you are so young and you have these things at MRP, very nice.
So these are my first Hot Wheels.
These are your first Hot Wheels. So since when have you been collecting? Let me just ask you that first.
2012.
2012. And this is 25 now. You're 15 years old and you started collecting 12 years ago. Very nice. Very nice. So these are your first Hot Wheels, right? Which ones are they, if you don't mind?
So this is a Chevy.
Chevy. Okay, this is in the Gulf livery.
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is a Cadillac.
Cadillac. Okay, so again, very old, played with 12, 13-year-old castings. Very nice. And then what have you got?
I have a few green lights on Auto Worlds.
Cold Pursuit. Okay, which this is green light.
Yeah.
Okay, how much did this cost you?
$6.
$6. So 500 approx. Okay. Very nice, very nice. और भी कुछ है यहाँ पे. I can see there's. Don't need to pick it up. It's fine. You can just point and tell me what cars they are.
This is also green light Lincoln Capri.
Green light
This is an Auto
Auto
World.
World. Okay, Lincoln Capri. This is also Auto World. I can think.
Yes. Dodge Caravan.
Dodge Caravan. Another Auto World.
This is Chevy Impala.
Chevy Impala. Okay.
These two are green lights.
Okay. So Buick Roadmaster green light and Plymouth Fury ये भी green light की है. How much were they approximately each of them?
These were I think $8.
$8. Yeah.
These two are 12.
12. So $8, $12. You can do the conversion, guys. Whoever's watching at home, conversion आप कर सकते हो. This looks very interesting. Which is this?
This is a TH.
This is a TH.
Yeah.
What's the name of this car?
So I don't know. It isn't written here. I just found this on the roadside.
Okay, on the roadside you found this.
It was lying under a tree.
So somebody was playing with it, probably lost it and you picked it up. सही है. Real life treasure hunt हो गया आपका तो. And ये क्या है?
This is also treasure hunt.
This is also treasure hunt. So you've got quite a decent collection. 2014 की treasure hunt है. And this is a Toyota FJ Cruiser.
Yeah, from Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious Hot Wheels वाली है ये. How much did this cost you?
I got this as a gift.
So you got this as a gift.
Approximately, I think it's $6.49.
Okay, so $6.50. Okay. And ये आपकी और है DMC DeLorean है. This is the HW Rally Hauler. I can see there's some more Mercs. So जितना आपका collection में देख पा रहा हूँ, you have an affinity for Mercs, for muscle cars,
Yeah.
and basically आपका काफी एक unique collection है. This also caught my eye. What is this one?
This one is a Maestro.
This is a Maestro. Okay, so you've got different makes as well. Very nice. How much did this cost you?
I don't remember. I think $10.
$10. And what model is this? This looks like a VW, right?
Yes, this is a VW bus with a trailer.
And the trailer. Is the trailer made out of metal or
No,
plastic?
it's plastic, but
Plastic.
this is metal.
Base metal होगा ना इसका? पूरा plastic है.
Rubber tires, but
अच्छा, rubber tires. Okay, very nice. Very, very nice. So thank you so much, Jay, for showcasing your collection. He's also got these very cool encyclopedia, as he calls them. So you can see his name over here. These are for sale, right?
yeah,
How much are they?
This is rupees 250 and this is 170.
So 170 for that and 250 for that. Do you quickly mind flipping over a few pages and show what's inside? So this is part 1. You can see यहाँ पे कुछ cars के interesting facts वगैरह दिए हैं. They're all alphabetical in order, right? Alphabetically आपने arrange करे. Very cool initiative. He's got these to sell at the meetup as well. So very very vibrant and nice community we've got going. You can also see there are a few reviews of this particular book that he's written. So yeah, very very cool initiative. Okay, so where can people reach out to you if they want to buy this?
I can give the Gmail address.
Gmail address. Okay, so you can send that to me.
Yeah, no problem.
And I'll put it in the pin comment. Okay? So very nice. Thank you so much Jay for showing your collection. So this is Maharaja Playground, Omkar. आप लोग इनसे live stream पे भी मिल चुके हो. And he's got quite a few cool things to show us.
So
What have you got?
only 2 or 3 cars to showcase.
Okay, 2 or 3.
This one is Mitsubishi Outlander.
Mitsubishi Outlander. By what company? What make?
This is a dealer's edition.
Dealer's edition.
This
Okay.
is a official produced by Mitsubishi.
Okay.
This is a 2023 model.
Okay. And how much did this cost you?
It cost me around 1250 rupees something.
1250 rupees. Not bad. Considering आपको एक ये भी मिल जाता है बेस उसके साथ. Did this come with an acrylic stand at all?
No, only like this.
Only like this. And plastic का ऐसे उस पे जो box होगा ना जिसमें आप रखते हो. Can you show the box as well? So this is the packaging. ये इसके अंदर ऐसे stand के साथ आता है. I can see there's a blister also inside to keep it safe. Very nice. 1250. Very exclusive stuff. ये dealer's edition है. आपको ये इतने easily देखने नहीं
Details
मिलेंगे.
and all this.
Yeah, you can see the details. Mitsubishi का logo है. Acrylic inserts for the headlamps. Tail lamps be very very well done. The Mitsubishi logo is very nice. And you can see there's even the rear view mirrors on the casting itself. Wheels are made out of rubber?
Rubber.
Rubber. Very nice.
So I have another car to showcase.
Very-
This
very-
is a premium car.
Premium car,
This
okay.
one is Range Rover.
Okay.
SV from LCD brand.
LCD brand. Okay.
Yep. So
So LCD is another brand I haven't covered on my channel.
Yep.
कितने की आती है approximately?
it cost me around 2400 something.
2400. Okay.
2400.
Okay.
But details are really
Very nice. तो मतलब ये इनो के लीक की आगे ना 2400
हाँ,
तो इनो आपकी
but-
जनरली आती है.
Inos, हाँ, same.
Same.
You can say.
So is this licensed?
Yep. This
Okay.
is licensed.
So just for awareness guys, LCD की ये licensed है. And you can see यहाँ पे box पे licensing detailing वगैरह भी लिखी हुई है. Very nice. And did this come in an acrylic case at all? Okay. Where is it if you don't mind showing? So this is the acrylic case. 2400. Very good price I would say for this particular scale model. अच्छी detailing है.
To find.
It is hard to find.
Actually,
हाँ,
LCD के.
सही है.
Ino is easy to find in India. So
तो तुमने कहाँ से ली है LCD अगर
actually import ही किया हुआ है.
इम्पोर्ट ही किया हुआ है? ओके ओके.
So
सेकेंडरी
both
मार्केट
cars are,
बेसिकली.
imported.
ओके. वेरी नाइस. सो और क्या है? और भी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग दिख रहा है मुझे.
Interesting car. So this is a Jeff Gordon's car. So
Okay.
उन्होंने
हु इज जेफ गॉर्डन?
So he's a like NASCAR का driver.
नास्कार ड्राइवर. ओके.
So this is his car. So very old piece.
हाँ हाँ.
Easy to get in the market.
इजी टू गेट?
Not easy.
नॉट
to,
इजी टू गेट. ओके.
So you can see all his details and all the
Okay.
championship.
Okay.
He has participated. So he's legendary driver.
Right, right.
Actually, and this is his cars.
ओके. नहीं मतलब आई डोंट फॉलो नास्कार इतना तो मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं. आई एम मोर ऑफ अ फॉर्मूला 1 पर्सन. बट वेरी कूल टू सी. ये मोटर स्पोर्ट के काफ़ी कूल है. लाइक ध्रुव जस्ट शोड अस IMSA के हाइपर कार्स वगैरह. दिस इज नास्कार. सो वी गॉट अ डिसेंट वेराइटी. तनिष शोड अस इंडी कार जस्ट नाउ. सो काफ़ी अच्छी मोटर स्पोर्ट वेराइटी की भी कास्टिंग्स है हमारे पास.
So
एंड
this is a card. This
yeah,
is
this
the
is the
base.
card and this is the base. The base is plastic. Card is also like a trading card. ये collectible होगा ना ये भी.
Exactly. Like trading
Very
card.
pretty. Very very pretty. How much this cost you?
800 on resale market.
Very good, very good price. सही है. So thank you so much Omkar for showing these 3 cars. You can follow him on Maharaja Playground on YouTube as well as Instagram. I'll put everything in the description. है ना? Thank you Omkar. Next up we have Kanak. So hi Kanak. What have you got to show us?
So today I don't have much castings.
Castings में कुछ नहीं लाया. Okay.
Just Tomica Premium F1.
Premium F40. Very nice. Red color की है ये. It's got the opening engine, right? Do you mind opening? Yeah. So we've done a video on this before on my channel, but yeah. So very nice. And what else?
As I said, I don't have much castings to show today, but I do have a few sketches that I've done.
Sketches, okay. Oh wow.
I'm an automobile designer.
Okay, you're an automobile designer. Very nice.
These are just a few sketches that I can show
Yeah,
for
yeah,
this
yeah.
video.
What cars are they, if you don't mind? Like,
So-
2-3 अपने अच्छे वाले दिखा दो जो दिखाना का मन हो.
So this is one of my ongoing projects for
Okay,
Renault.
okay.
And
Oh
it's
wow.
a collab project between Oakley and Renault.
Okay.
So that's one of the sketches
Okay.
for that. And another sketch that I can show is an ongoing project that I'm doing.
Uh-huh.
It's for the Porsche 928.
Okay.
So it's more of a new take on the
Uh-huh.
Porsche 928.
Okay.
So these are the ongoing sketches for it.
Oh wow.
Still on the exploratory phase, but
Yeah. So, yeah, a true sort of automobile enthusiast, you could say. Some very, very cool sketches. I can see there are a few main lines in his bag, but main lines इतना कोई दिखाने का point नहीं. We've already seen those before.
this is all
Yeah, all main lines basically. So, ठीक है. Thank you so much, Kanak, for showing your showing your sketches and your Tomica. Thank you. So this was it for the meetup, guys. As you can see, काफ़ी अच्छा turnout रहा है आज. There's 20 of us, I would say. So everyone has a different story, different age groups. कुछ 15 साल के लोग हैं. Few people have come there with their kids. So people of all ages are welcome in this hobby, right? Anyway, I hope like आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया. वीडियो पसंद आया तो do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.
Like, share, and subscribe at gunpoint.
At gunpoint.